It was the right thing to do because we want to keep people safe and we want to keep people healthy.
A major blow for fitness fans and Columbus businesses as state leaders cancel several major events surrounding the Arnold Sports Festival, which begins tomorrow. All athletes will check in with Mount Carmel Hospital staff who take their temperature and then ask about possible exposure. The Health and Fitness Expo is canceled and all events are barring spectators except the pre-sold bodybuilding championship finals Saturday night. The Arnold Sports Festival won't be what many athletes, though, were expecting this year. Many of the 22,000 people competing in the fitness festival will be arriving today, and because of coronavirus concerns, local leaders and Arnold organizers are canceling the Health Expo and, yes, barring the spectators from most of those events. At the airport, medical teams are screening competitors, taking their temperatures, asking them about possible exposure to COVID-19, and some worry the restrictions mean their family and friends won't be able to see them compete.
Regardless, all of those people are still going to be in Columbus. So it kind of stinks for everyone that traveled here. Now they can't get their money back and they're disappointed.
And Tuesday, 5 athletes were screened and cleared for competition. 20 athletes from high-risk countries will not be allowed to compete at all. The Arnold being canceled is just an example, though, of how the coronavirus is already changing major events. But what if the virus puts a damper on your trips? Should you get the travel insurance? Liz McLaughlin explains.
As the number of coronavirus cases rise, so do concerns from travelers.
I work in a hotel, and I know we've lost business because of it.
But now we just kind of stay home right now, stay safe.
Fears contributing to a growing interest in travel insurance.
So far, a total trip cost of $1,000.
With phones ringing off the hook at the call center for Insure My Trip, a site that compares travel insurance plans from dozens of providers.
Right now, we're seeing growth numbers in the 200% range.
Most policies won't cover a trip cancellation due to coronavirus concerns. A premium cancel for any reason policy allows you to do just that, but it's time sensitive and expensive. One quote for a $5,000 cruise priced a typical travel insurance plan at $144. The cancel for any reason policy was $563.
I think you really have to carefully consider whether or not the premiums that you're going to pay for that type of coverage are worth their cost.
You may want to check directly with travel providers first, many now offering to waive change and cancellation fees for affected areas.
You just have to be careful, but also you can't just live in a state of paranoia either.
Concessions travel companies hope will keep Americans on the move in the wake of an outbreak. Liz McLaughlin, NBC News.
Kroger is now limiting the amount of sanitizing products that customers can buy after a sharp rise in the demand due to the spread of coronavirus. Demand for the over-the-counter cold and flu-related medicines, cleaning products, and hand sanitizers has spiked, and Kroger is warning it may cause supply shortages. Kroger is limiting customers to 5 of those items per order, and it's unclear if the restrictions apply only to online orders. Right now on NBC4i.com, get resources directly from the CDC, see our timeline of the virus's spread, and so much more. Just click on the coronavirus link under the News tab.